Thanks for joining me today. Today we are continuing the journey to the world of robotics with this robot dog. The parts of this robot are 3D printed. We are using 9 servo motors and a Bluetooth module. Now at its core we have an Arduino Nano with a sleek buck converter keeping everything in check. So here we have some commands from the tutorial that I don't know about. So let's hit some commands in the serial monitor and let's see how this robot dog reacts to it. Let's start with the command O. Okay, so the command O makes the robot stand up. So let's continue with the command F. Okay, so this makes the robot move forward. And now let's try the command B for moving backwards, I guess. Now let's try the command P. Now let's see what it does. Okay, so the command P makes the robot sit down, as you can see. And now let's hit command O for making it stand up. Let's try the command V. Okay, so this command makes the dog say hi. Now lastly, let's try the command A. Okay, so this command makes the dog do a dance. So here I have already uploaded the commands to the Arduino Nano, and now let's use this app to control this robot dog. Now this app was designed by us using the MIT App Inventor. So now let's start with the forward command. Okay, so it's not exactly going straight forward, but anyway, let's continue. Next, let's hit the backward command. Okay, so now this is done. So now let's see if it can bend forward. So it does. Now the backward part. Now let's see some other commands. So this much for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.